Maria Falls, located in the heart of the South Island of New Zealand. Maria Falls is a must-see for anyone visiting the area. First, let's talk about the falls themselves. Maria Falls is a series of cascading waterfalls that are truly breathtaking. The falls are fed by the Maria River, which flows through the stunning Maria Valley. The water tumbles over the rocks, creating a mesmerizing sight that you won't want to miss. Now, let's talk about the surrounding area. The Maria Valley is a picturesque landscape of rolling hills, lush forests, and crystal clear streams. It's a perfect spot for hiking, picnicking, or simply enjoying the beauty of nature. If you're looking for an adventure, there are plenty of activities in the area. You can go whitewater rafting on the Maria River, take a scenic flight over the valley, or even go on a horseback ride through the forest. For those who prefer a more leisurely pace, there are plenty of opportunities for relaxation as well. You can visit the nearby hot springs, take a leisurely stroll through the valley, or simply sit back and enjoy the stunning views. In more recent history, Maria Falls has been a popular tourist destination for over a century. It's been featured in films like The Hobbit and The Lord of the Rings, and it's been a favorite spot for photographers and artists for decades. So there you have it, folks. Maria Falls is a must-see destination for anyone visiting the South Island of New Zealand. It's a stunning natural wonder that's sure to take your breath away. Thank you for joining me on this journey to Maria Falls. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel destinations. Until next time, happy travels!
Hi guys! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. At andito na nga po kami sa Liwes Pass. And yan, magto-toilet lang po tayo. Yan po ang gasoline station dito. And then, ang toilet po in
on State Highway 65 for 71 kilometers. Your destination is on the left.
Papunta na po kami dun sa falls at ito po yung daanan papunta po dun. So malapit lang naman po siya.
5 minutes?
Maybe 5 minutes po na lakad from the parking
5 minutes na nga yun.
space.
Okay.
Ha?
5 minutes yata.
Pangalawang beses na po namin pagpunta dito ngayon. Sobrang na-amaze lang po kasi talaga kami. At ito po yung makikita nyo bago pumunta sa falls. So may upuan siya. Ayan. Ayan. And then, meron po dyang signage na danger. Hindi po dito pwedeng maligo. Yan. So, ito na po ang falls. Baba po tayo. Baba tayo, guys. Para makita nyo kung ano itsura niya talaga. Pupunta po tayo sa mas malapit para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung beauty niya. Parang yung beauty ko, joke lang. So, ganyan po kalino ang tubig dito. Yan na po ang falls. Diba? Napakalinom ng tubig. Kita nyo naman, napakalinom po ng tubig. Pero nagbabawal po talaga ang paliligo dito.
Ano? Doon ka tumaan. Sa kabila ka. Ba't pasunod ka sa akin? Ayan po yung falls. Oh.
Hi guys! Ayan, galing na po tayo sa falls at babalik na po tayo sa ating car. Tara, samahan niyo po kami. Pero maybe 3 minutes lang yung lakad. Mahal ko, pwede nga body. Kasi baka alam mo na. Yung pag-video mo, alam ko yan. Ako po pala yung naka-knapsack.
Si Dora?
Ayan, backpack.
Si Dora?
Dala ko si Dora. Dora the Explorer. Tara, punta naman tayo sa Nelson.
Pinindo.
Run! Diyan ang kalaban. Maabutan ka na.